Hi, Sage.
Hi, Dean. You ready?
No. No. Yes. Good day, everyone. Welcome to what is going to be an unusually hot day here in Arizona. This is our home for right now. Clean Wire Challenge getting ready to start.
Right, we're already really in the process of...
We got Garmin, Kenwood, us, MTX, Sage. Yes. Yeah.
Shorts.
Okay. Have fun with that. And MSC. So this is what we're getting ready to do. Fernando's trying to get the mics working. As soon as we get that happening, everything will be great. I just wanted to come on and show you what the thing looks like. Don't worry, later we'll come back and we'll do some more stuff. But that's it for right now. Can't wait. See you guys. Bye. Chance, what's going on at Master Tech right now? There's Haley. There's Fernando with a baseball hat. There's a really tall Canadian. Let's turn around and take a look and see what's going on. All right, we got Hungerford over here starving. He's hungry. He wants to win.
Yeah, we're doing it.
Hungerford is hungry.
Hungerford is starving.
Boston Mike. Dick Jobs. Anyways, look at that. Look at him go. Look at him go. He's killing it. We need to find you some hot glue. We need to see if we can find you hot glue. Good day. Look at him. All right. So we got Kenwood. JBL. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Got Infinity. Look at this. We got custom heat sinks. We got some LEDs under the wire. Ooh. We got JP.
What's up? Oh yeah. Y'all see it?
Yeah. Got no room for grounds.
No.
He's got no room for grounds. JP's got some MTX. MTX has hooked you up, bro.
Yeah.
They gave him all kinds of stuff. You got a shirt, you got a bag, he's killing it. Got a hat, no hat. Look at these guys. Look at them. Look at them doing. Look at MTX out here filming him. Yeah, like they knew JP was coming. They set up their booth right next to him. Like, gotta support him. That's crazy. Yeah, look at these guys. Look at these guys. You guys are tomorrow.
Yay.
I knew you'd be
hot tomorrow?
No, it's supposed to be like 65.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, it's gonna be 65 and beautiful.
But it's gonna be 65 at like 7 a.m.
Yeah. It'll be like 56 at 7 a.m. Yeah, it was 56 this morning.
Just lock that temperature. Just like
I would love to.
hopefully we don't die tomorrow. Seriously.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. It's beautiful weather. It's beautiful weather. It's not hot at all. You guys are doing great. Angel.
I'm not Angel.
I know you're not. You're East Side. You know why I called you Angel?
Because I have short hair.
Because you cut your freaking hair off. Jeez, oh man.
Hi.
Hi, Chris.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Yeah? Are you sure you're doing well? It's not too hot.
No.
I was down like that.
Geek Squad. You are representing.
For now.
Yeah, for now. I got you a shirt.
Thank you. Oh, you did?
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, we got you a shirt.
Nice.
Yes. So,
I was gonna shit in the hat in Mike's showroom. I was just recreating that, how I did it. And in the middle of me asking if I could take a shit, I asked for the Wi-Fi password to throw him way off. He didn't answer me. I didn't get the Wi-Fi password. So I left.
this is Boston Mike and why he's never on the show. Okay, thanks, Mike.
No, he did not get the Wi-Fi password. I didn't get the Wi-Fi password.
No, why would he?
True story though. Didn't I come there and ask if I could shit in the showroom?
I don't doubt it for
He
a
didn't know it
minute.
was me. I was disguised.
Yes, by somebody with a smaller nose.
Yeah, no, it was bigger.
It was bigger?
Because I had the fake glasses and nose on.
So you were doing the Humpty dance when you walked
It
in?
was tickling her.
Yeah, okay. Good job. Good job. All right, so here we are. Master Tech Expo Clean Wire Challenge is happening. Inside, we got a ton of going on. So this place is, it's hot. I'm not gonna lie, it is hot. So for those of you guys who remember SEMA, this is my favorite golf cart of all times. So this is the Wet Sounds Kawasaki golf cart. This thing is so cool. Like, this is the grill cloth. This thing is sick. Look at this, like, look at this wood. Look at that guy.
Hey.
Yep, we got stickers. This boat is another Wet Sounds boat. These are the Bluetooth speakers I want so bad. Like, I want this so bad. I think I'm just gonna take it when we leave, to be honest with you. But look at this thing. Hi. I mean, I was up here taking a nap the other day. It was fantastic. So cool. All right. Just leave the shoes right there. What the hell? What's up, Lino? This is the Lino, by the way. This is the Lino we always talk about. This is the Lino that will design your stuff for you on his Etsy store. Lino's Etsy store. What is your Etsy store? Lino Morales on Etsy. He'll 3D design your cool pillars for you. Yeah. All right. So let's keep going. We got a Kia. This is HKI. It's got Ground Zero stuff in it. The thing sounds awesome. I got to hear this a couple months back, or a month back. This is, you guys have seen this before, but you ain't seen it like this. What's up, John? Bro, these are the brand new. All right, sorry about that. These are the brand new Gladen. Look at this. Long throw, 8-inch. This had 8-inch in it before, but now it's got these new ones. This is the first time these have been seen. And they doubled the amplifiers. So they have even more. This thing is sick. It was sick before. This thing is insanity. Justin, what is up? My favorite Canadian. Hey, what's up?
Hey.
What's up? All right, so Metro over here. Of course, they gave us a ton of 10 mils to give out, and a bunch of swag that we're giving out. Playing cornhole, it's fantastic. Herman's car's back here. This has that $10,000 gold horn DSP in it. It's freaking awesome. All right, let's head inside, because honestly, I just want some air conditioning for a minute. All right, so old school amps, 12-volt dashboard, Garmin, aka JL Audio, Rockford. They have a car here. This is their punch car. They just finished with this. I haven't had a chance to take a look at it yet. Looks very cool. Uniden Blam. The Volt is here with the new background. I just designed this for them this morning. We got another Tesla from our good friends at Modus. Look at this. Dave Fishman. Okay, check this picture out. We got Tony Diamore and Dave Fishman. This is insanity. And we have the midgets. Chewy. What are you doing? Got him? Okay. And there's Eric. Timmy. That's incredible. Morale. We got all the new Morale DSP amps. Look at these. These are them. Look at this guy. The Supremos. We're gonna come over here. Orca. So for those of you that are slate fiber fans, these are the new Morale slate fiber 8-inch. 2 3/4 tweeter. This is a new 8-inch. This is what we've been talking about coming out from from Focal. This guy right here. They also have the new 8-inch subwoofer. Giant gold horn.
Everybody's buying these shirts.
Our good friend Ken is going to blah 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 really loud.
As soon as you go out this door, hang on left, and they're right over there.
Then,
there's a van there that's cool.
oh my gosh, look at this.
Right over there.
The Terminator. Look at this thing. This is Wayne Harris's Terminator. It's back. It's back from the 80s. Check out this backup camera. This is the backup camera. Okay? It's like a camcorder from the 80s. Look at this thing. There he is. What's going on? There's Wayne Harris getting a picture taken from his beautiful wife. Look at that. How cool is that? That is fantastic. All right, build off is going. Got the build up. We gotta see that. Look at this, dude. This thing is incredible.
We could converse and we
Like,
play the stuff and take stuff and stuff.
This thing is insanity.
And they played the stuff that they played in Aspen.
And it's got a supercharger. Like, how much cooler do you want to be? Build off is happening. We got 2 teams, 2 days, red and silver.
So we're looking at about 32
Mike!
in the Rocker Cloud Cave Build-Off Challenge.
All right. Look at him struggling, thinking.
But it's gonna be playing. We'll see how it plays. Right? Dean's out here getting a little B-roll.
It's not B-roll, man. It's D-roll. Got a giant screen so all these guys can chill in here like this, catching some air conditioning. Ooh, that feels weird.
So folks, if you
got 32 minutes left for today.
A little over 30 minutes left. Come up, grab yourself a seat.
Look at that. Okay.
Check these guys out.
We got Big Sean. All right. And a ton more. We got Addison. We got Fro. What's up, Fro? Fantastic.
Hello, Dean.
Hello, Ken.
How you doing, sir?
I'm fantastic.
Great. How's the Clean Wire Challenge going?
Hot. It's so hot. It's so awesomely hot.
Yeah, the challenge is hot.
It's burning up out there. It's smoking full.
There you go. That's the thing. Appreciate you guys coming out here. You check out the challenge out here?
Yeah, I'm in here looking at the challenge and not take off the air conditioner at all.
Oh, no, I didn't think that at all.
No.
Matter of fact, I've got some AC to go in the can if you need it.
I mean, yeah.
Thank you, Dean. Where you going? There you go. Thank you, Dean.
Bye, Ken. All right. So that's just a little bit of what's happening inside of here. New this year, Sundown is over there in the corner. DS18 is here, which is cool. Seth is supposed to be here. I don't know where the heck he's at. He's supposed to be here, but he's not here. So, but yeah. What's up, Elias? I can't see the screen because I don't have my appropriate eyeglasses on. So, so everything's going fantastic. All right, let's turn this back around. So, audio control. We got Ernie. We got Matthew. We got stickers. We got Jake. Hi. And then way over here, keep going. We got MSC. We got your Helix, Brax. We're all chilling outside of here. Got a big tent popping up. And over here in the corners, we got Memphis. We got our Harmon guys. Got the whole corner over here, just all of themselves. They're rocking it out, having lots of fun. Place is killing it. We're having all kinds of fun. But I gotta get back to giving away free stuff. Because cornhole. Just killing it with cornhole. So that's it for now, guys. You have a fantastic day. Live from Master Tech Expo 2026. If you're not here, sorry, man. Serious FOMO. All right, guys. Bye.